Hello friends, today we're going to do an experiment that is cup phone. We're going to show you how two people can talk when they're far away. This is based on sound vibration. You will need two cups, two matchsticks, and one long string, and of course, two people. Let's get started. I'm using a plastic cup. You can also use a paper cup. So first you need to make a hole and then insert the string in the hole and then tie it with a matchstick. Do the same setup in the other cup. So we have done the setup. Someone will hold here like I'm, and someone will hold there. Now we are ready. Make sure the string is tight. Otherwise it won't work. I love you. Here.